YouTube, we're gonna do Boys and Girls in Love. The rumble seats. Just 'cause you think it, don't make it so. Drive you to drinking, won't let you go. Plenty of girls and boys in love. Plenty of girls and boys in love. Move to the city, use all your heart. She wants that pretty, you want that smart. Plenty of girls and boys in love. Plenty of girls and boys in love. Ain't it a shame? Ain't it a shame? Oh, 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 oh. Ain't it a shame? Plenty of girls, plenty of boys, and boys in love. Plenty of girls and boys in love. All right, let's do this song. I gotta keep with the second fret. You can play along with the recording and use this these chord shapes. They don't use a capo. They're just playing all bar chords. All right, that's kind of like the intro. They do something like that. A, B, B, G, G. A, B, G, G. And those are the chords, right? We go up A minor, B minor, G. Alright, I'm just using the A minor shape for the B minor. I just slide up to the 3rd fret, and I got my hands on the strings and I mute. So you don't need to play a bar chord on the B minor. You can just slide that up to the 3rd fret. But you're just kind of playing the middle strings. Mute the rest. And then, so it does that 2 times. And then it goes, plenty of girls and boys, A minor, E minor, to love. Plenty of girls and boys to love. Okay, so the second part of that. So the first time, E minor, E minor, D. And then the second time it goes to D by climbing straight up A, B, C, D. And then it begins over. Okay, that's like one long verse with the refrain. That repeats with different lyrics. Move to the city. Use all your heart. Right, the whole thing repeats. And then we get to like a breakdown. It's C, ain't it a shame? E minor. Ain't it a shame? Oh. Goes to F, and I'm just playing this simple F shape. And that's it, because F is not in like the key. But what we're doing here is we're walking up E, F, G. So we're walking up chromatically from an E. F is between E and G. So we go C to E minor twice, and then we go F, briefly. They don't hold it that long, and then it goes and then a G to D. Plenty of girl. G D. Then it goes to and boys to love. Goes to that verse part where it transitions. It's the same thing, and then it goes. Then you're back into the verse. I'm just playing C and D with A shapes here. At the 5th fret up from the capo, it's a C. And D at the 7th fret. A minor G. And that's how it ends. Alright, have fun playing that one. Thanks for watching. Bye.